Hi students, welcome to Integrated Science 7th with Ms. Mays. So I'm recording this video in advance, and today we're going to talk about what we'll be doing in class today. It is currently August 18th, 2020. So if you go to my page, it should look something like this. I'm going to go ahead and move my page to student view so that you can see what it looks like on your side. So it's a very simple page, and it should be fairly easy to navigate. It's just going to take a little bit of scrolling on your part. So on the side, you have home, syllabus, grades, and conferences. All of this information I mentioned in my Canvas navigation video. So your syllabus is just an overview of what you'll be doing in the course. Grades is how you see when I've graded things. And then you have conferences. So conferences is the video tool that we'll be using in our class. It's through Canvas, so we are not using Zoom. If you ask me for a Zoom link, I'm going to tell you we're using conferences, which is located here. So if I scroll down and click on live lessons, then it will take me to a button that says join our daily sessions by clicking conferences on your left. So if you got here, then you figured that out. Thank you. Again, we will not be using Zoom at any point in the class. If we are having problems with the conferences, it is not because I'm not using Zoom. So in my classroom, I have a very spotty Wi-Fi situation going on. So regardless of what I use, Zoom is actually the worst when it comes to Wi-Fi in my class. At least Canvas conferences connects. So bear with me. If you see me at home, that's just because I want to make sure I have a good internet connection for the day. So for our lesson today, you're going to click enter here. And this is how you're going to get to all of the content in your course. If you click on something that I have not published, like for example, Unit 1, we're not currently working in Unit 1. So if you click on lessons as a student, it'll say access denied because it hasn't been posted yet. So if you get that, then you know automatically you are in the wrong place. So today, and I'm going to post this on the conference screen just as a reminder, you are meeting your teacher. You've met me. Hello, I am Ms. Mays. We've reviewed Canvas and you are currently reviewing the video link. So when you get to this video, you are completing the All About Me slide assignment. Reading in my class is going to be imperative because our internet connections are not great, because some of us cannot hear, because some of us cannot talk. The one thing that I can count on is that everybody can read. So if you read here, you will know what we are doing for the day. Here you have the current lesson, so you know where to click. And here's just little reminders and tidbits from me. So we are not currently working in Unit 1. Today you are going to work in Unit 0. So you would click Unit 0. And when you get to Unit 0, you have 3 lessons. So for the first 3 classes, these are the things that we're doing. Again, if you click on it and it's not published, you're not where you need to be. Don't contact me and say, hey, Ms. Mays, access denied, because what you need is already linked. So today we'll be working with Lesson 1, Unit 0. Unit 0, Lesson 1. I can use the basic functions in Google Slides and submit my work on Canvas. You'll click on the lesson. And again, reading is imperative. If you ask me what to do and I know for a fact I typed it in the instructions, it's not being me being rude, guys. You've got to learn to be independent with your learning. In class, you had a lot of space to go look at your friend and go, what are we doing? Or look at me and go, I don't know what we're doing. Or maybe you're a nice kid and you're still just like, Miss Mays, they don't know what we're doing. Well, guess what, kids? All your directions are here. So if I read the directions and we're reading them together, review the following module and create an All About Me slideshow to introduce yourself, at least 5 slides. So it tells you everything you need to do. 1, review the module. Notice when I hover over it, I can click it. So then you click here. And I would review this module before I started on my PowerPoint. The purpose of this module, it's not to be easy. A lot of times kids will send black and white or with Arial font, or they'll change the background and it'll be a really grainy image. I need you to have nice, professional PowerPoint slides, something that creates interest and is visually appealing, something that's spot on and tailored. That's what this module is going to teach you how to do. It's going to teach you how to effectively use PowerPoint to communicate a message. Your PowerPoints as students can look like teacher PowerPoints. There's not an excuse. Your PowerPoints can look like this, and they should look like this. And I want you to learn how to get there. So you'll hit start. And when you hit start, you have several videos that you're going to go through to complete your PowerPoint. So you are going to Do these activities. You are not going to do the reflection. You are not going to do the extension project. And you are not going to do the wrap up. You will digitally share it with me just so I know you know how to use that feature because you will be working in groups and you might have to share your work. So for this time, one and only time, you will share it with me. But in order to submit, you will not share it with me. If you hit share and you think you're done, you're not. I'm not grading that. That's just so I know, oh, they know how to share. When you are ready to submit, you are going to hit the blue button that says submit when you are ready to submit. Also, make sure you change your name. So on this assignment, it says first comma last name, all about me presentation. So what you need to do is you need to change this to your first and last name. Change this slide to your first and last name. After that, you will see a blue button here on the corner right here that says submit assignment. You don't see it here because I'm the teacher. I own this assignment. But for you, you will hit submit when you are ready to submit. You will stay in the classroom as you're working. That way you can hear my voice. If you have any questions, you can type them in the chat. But that is all we are doing today. You are watching these videos, which will teach you how to make a Miss Mays worthy PowerPoint, a professional PowerPoint, a high school, college ready PowerPoint, which everyone can do. It's really easy in Google. The topic is all about you. And then at least 5 slides. Change your name. So make sure you highlight this and change the title and then hit submit, which will be in the corner. I'll be in the chat. Thank you for listening. Good luck.